Hi, and in today's video, we're going to talk about why men actually prefer to date older women. Hi there, Matt Shaffer, your empowerment, connection, and relationship coach, here to talk to you about a subject that comes up all the time with my clients, my students, and my friends. This belief that men only want to date younger women. It's not true, and I'm going to tell you why. But before I do, take a second, hit that little subscribe button, and don't forget to click the link in the comments and caption. I've created a great training that I guarantee will help you big time in your relationships. So let's dive into this, and let's start by looking at the elephant in the room, this belief that men only want to date younger women. And this might be something that you tell yourself, right? And so many of my clients and students and friends, they think that men are only chasing women that are younger or significantly younger than them, and they use that to talk themselves out of putting themselves out there. And I'm here to tell you it's simply not true. When a man is looking for a relationship, he's looking for a connection. He's looking for chemistry, and that is not tied to age. Age is just a number. What's so much more important than age is the energy that's shared between us when we connect with somebody. So let's just go ahead and throw the age thing out of the window. It is not the most relevant characteristic or the most relevant factor in whether or not a man will want to date you or whether or not a man will want to be in a relationship with you. And there are a lot of reasons why men actually prefer to date and get into relationships with older women. And by older, I mean women that are their age or older than them. Now, one of the first big reasons why men prefer older women for dating and relationship is that older women know what they want. When a man is dating a younger woman, a lot of times she's very insecure, she's trying to figure herself out, and she'll identify herself through her relationship. And it can be very unstable, it can be very stressful, and it can be very exhausting to be a guy in that relationship. But when you're dating an older woman, she's secure, she knows who she is, and she knows what she wants. So it's a lot easier to be in relationship with her. So when you're dating an older, more secure woman, you don't have to try as hard to keep it together, to keep her together. You have a more equal partnership that's just a lot more enjoyable for a man. And another reason why men love dating older women is that it's much easier for us to be in our masculine with them. Because women who are a little older and a little more experienced, they generally tend to be much more secure in their femininity. So when we're with an older woman, she knows who she is, she knows how to be in her feminine and to surrender and receive and honor us as men. So they're much more prone to allow us to open the door, take care of checks, and really be that driving masculine force in dating and relationship than a younger woman who may be more insecure, have her walls up further, and it's just not as easy for us to be in that traditional masculine feminine polarity with them. Another reason men love dating older women is that it's more fun because they have more stories. Men love to tell stories, men also love to hear stories, and they love to share experiences. So there's a depth to the conversations with older women and a fun that comes with the sharing of stories back and forth. It's a much more layered and enjoyable experience getting to know a woman when she's older and she's had more life experience that she can share with us. So that whole exchange of stories and the ability to connect at a deeper level and have common ground in terms of shared experiences is another reason why men absolutely love dating women who are a little older. Another reason why men love dating older women is, I gotta say it, they are more experienced physically. They know what they want in bed. They know what they like, they know what they don't like, and we don't have to take the time to have to teach them all of this stuff. So if you are an older woman, be in ownership of your sexuality and know that the fact that you have a lot of sexual experience with, a variety of partners and a variety of relationships, that's an asset because men don't always want to feel that pressure of having to teach a woman how to do this and how to do that and how to do all the things that they like. It's so nice to just be able to connect with a woman emotionally and intellectually and physically and feel like she's already got the breadth of experience to be able to just flow with you. There's nothing nicer for a man than being able to just flow with his partner. Because remember, from a masculine and feminine perspective, the masculine is looking to be set free by the feminine. We're looking to be able to relax and let go. And if we feel like we have to be continually teaching our partner what we like and teaching them all the things that we want to do, and they don't have a lot to contribute to that dynamic, we have to carry the relationship. We have to carry conversations. We have to carry things in the bedroom. And with younger women, a lot of times that's the position that we end up in. So the masculine is really seeking to be set free by the feminine. And with an older woman, it's a lot easier for us to just relax, be ourselves, and just drop in and enjoy the connection we have with you. So I hope this video helps you understand why men actually enjoy and love dating older women. So don't let your age be a limiting factor in putting yourself out there and connecting with men, because at the end of the day, it is just a number. Men want to connect with women they have chemistry with. They want to connect with women that they feel passion with. They want to connect with women that they feel understand them and that they enjoy being around. And so if you can just be your deepest self, own your femininity, and put yourself out there, you will connect with the men who want to get to know you. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, take a second, hit that little subscribe button, and click the link in the comments or caption. I've created a great training that I know you're going to love. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time on my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.